So, good afternoon, all who are present here. Our project is about the customer segmentation and market basket analysis. What is customer segmentation? Basically, we'll be segmenting the customers into a set of group based on the shared characteristic. Basically, what we are trying to do is taking customers of a supermarket and doing a segmentation process, and then we will be recommending the item for based on the segmentation. So the next thing is our data set. So when we go to the data set, this is our data set which we are used for our creating our model. So the one of the main problem we have faced is the data set. We have searched from the internet for the data set, but all the data set which were present there was inconsistent. What do you know about, like, what do you get to know, like, when it's inconsistent? When you use an inconsistent data, you tend to degrade the performance of your or machine learning model, and it totally degrades every performance and here and there. So basically, we shouldn't. You first thing is you shouldn't believe what's in the internet. So basically, internet is available for everyone. So there may be people updating a fake things here and there. So you shouldn't believe that. So what we have done to overcome this issue? So the source of our thing is source of our data set is the Google form. What we have done is we have created a Google form and so send the forms to every single person from most of the person and from Andhra, ranging from Andhra to Tamil Nadu. So basically, we'll be getting the different and taste of people buying things and different things and getting a accurate value rather than getting things on the internet. So basically, then the column which are present in our data set are the customer ID, name, and the age, gender, spending score. Basically, the spending score is how much they tend to spend on the supermarket things and stuffs like that. So then their income and the quantity of item they bought and the other items they have bought. Totally, we have segregated 1300 data has which we are used. So when we move on to the code, basically we did two things in the segmentation. We have divided our parts into two, and basically one thing is manual segmentation, other thing is machine learning kind of segmentation and customer segmentation. And during the data set search, we went to the supermarket peoples and asked for the data sets to provide by signing up the NDA agreement and stuff. But still, they refused due to some privacy concern. They shouldn't share of the customers' details, something like that to us. So basically, they gave ideas how you should segment the data based on their insights and things. So basically, what they told us, many of them told us, one was recommending about the age factor, like most of the females and middle-aged people comes under the morning category, and most of the teens tends to come after college and to get some drink, something like that. So we'll be recommending that and stuff. And the night mobile, the work people who comes after that. So this is basically the code for the manual segmentation. We have taken three things. One is the age factor, another is the gender factor, another is the timing factor, morning, evening, and afternoon, on something like that. And so basically, we'll be dividing these into, this is just a manual segmentation what we have done, and this gives us the most accurate value how the supermarket supervisors and they have the insights on the customer segmentation. So basically, the two things, important things are the customer segmentation and the market basket analysis are the two crucial things in understanding how this total customer behavior thing works, and this to identifies the customers behavior thing on and patterns how they buy things and stuff. So you by using this we'll be getting some optimal value, something like that association, and will be generated, and based on that we can get a different and things we can use optimize this for the business's purpose. Like, we can use it for two purposes. One is the like online retail e-commerce system, and another is the supermarket stuff. What will the e-commerce do? E-commerce will be recommending the customers how to buy things and recommending the stuff they can click on and things like that. So the next thing is the supermarket. How does supermarket benefits with this? So the supermarket basically, hey, what it does is get this association and they just place it in a perfect way where the people could have more attention towards it, something like that. And more of thing. Mostly we have get some insight like most of the people tend to buy milk at the morning, and the people who buy milk at the evening, at the night will be expecting having the manufactured date at tomorrow. No one will be using the milk at night. So most of the things like that. So this is the sample code of it, and this is our visualization how this things is done. You may see this is some minor differences, but with different data. The actual data which is produced first from the supermarket will have a different value, which could be useful for the project. So just now we have given a visualization things and stuff like that. So the rest of the things, like the customer segmentation on the machine learning things and the market basket analysis, will be done our team members. And thank you.